the kitchen's all installed and I'm due to pay my last final payment, what things should I be checking for?
So right before you pay that final 10% of your kitchen, it's really important to have a good look over it and make sure that everything's there that should be. Make sure that all the drawers open fully and close the way they should. Make sure that the cupboards have all got the soft closing mechanisms in the right place. Quite often, once you've put all your materials and plates and cups and glasses in the cabinetry, we may need to send an installer back to do a bit of an adjustment and a bit of an alignment because things can move around a little bit. That is all part of the process. It's really important to make sure that you're really happy with your kitchen before you pay that last 10%. A kitchen is a big investment and you want to make sure that you're getting the kitchen that you pay for. So going over it with that fine-tooth comb at the end to make sure that you're happy and that all the drawers line up. It's not a big deal for an installer to come back and adjust those things so that they're perfect, and they should be perfect. Your new kitchen should come with all the care and maintenance information that you're going to need to maintain your kitchen and to keep it in good condition. All the drawer hardware and hinges and things like that come inside your kitchen, which you shouldn't pay too much attention to once it's in, they all have a lifetime warranty on them. So even after 4 or 5 years, if you think things aren't working the way that they should, get back in touch with your designer or your installer and get them to come back and have a look. So all of the surfaces and materials that you use in your kitchen will all have a care and maintenance sheet. That sort of information should all be left with you once the kitchen's completed. It is important that you read through that information so that you're aware of the things you should and shouldn't do, especially with the care of your bench top. There are a lot of different surfaces and things around today, and some of them have quite different care and maintenance regimes. It's important for you to know what they are so that if you do come across problems down the track, that you can say that you've adhered to the care and maintenance. Once you've moved into your new kitchen and you've got all your plates and cups and glasses and things into the places where they're going to live, that's about the right time to start thinking about the extras and the accessories that you can get to go with your kitchen. These types of accessories can add quite a cost to your kitchen, so I always advise clients to move in, get things in the right spot, and then work out what it is that you actually need and what's going to be an advantage to you. So most kitchens will come with a cutlery tray and rubbish bins and those sorts of things, but there's always additional stuff. So once you've got your kitchen laid out the way you want it, then it's good to go through some of the brochures and catalogues and work out what's around and what would suit you in your kitchen. Most accessories on the market are made for retrofit. So it's important to move in, put the products in where they're going to be, and then have a think about what you could use to make life easier.